As we pointed out before, we're working the mid part of the shoulder, the medial delts. Yes, world of social media, especially YouTube. This video is going to be uploaded on a Thursday. You know the deal. Right about now, it's Thomas Twins TV, your boy Del, twin brother Trev, and we are in the engine room once again. Shoulders today, Trev. Yeah, today we're going to be targeting the shoulders. The way we're going to do this is I've got the resistance band here. Del's going to be doing the barbell. So essentially, this is a kind of a home workout. If you're traveling abroad or you haven't got space to fit large amounts of kit in your suitcase, this is ideal. You can still squeeze out a workout. If you're in the gym and the dumbbells or barbells are around, you can throw that around. Del will be demonstrating that. Yep, I'll be showing you the resistance band and we'll be hitting a shoulder workout. See you guys on the other side. Okay, Trev's up first. We're going to hit some side lat raises with the bands. Take it to 6 reps, Trev. As we pointed out before, we're working the mid part of the shoulder, the medial delts. The resistance is on the way up with this exercise. Okay, over to Del with the barbell. Again, targeting the middle part of the shoulders, the medial delt, and we're hitting some upright rows, guys. Controlled on the way down as well as the way up. Note the position of the hands. We're in quite close with the grip here. Yeah, and always leading with the elbows. Brilliant exercise for mid delts. Okay, exercise number 2, guys. I'm going to demonstrate some front press with the band. Okay, this is hitting the front part of the shoulder, the anterior delts. As you can see, back is nice and straight. We're not leaning back too much. The chest is high. We're driving up, keeping the elbows soft at the top. Obviously, the core is engaged. I'm going to come in with the standing barbell press. Okay, so Del's doing the barbell press. Again, we've got the core engaged. Look at the control on the way down as well as the way up. Bringing that bar just underneath the chin and pressing up full stretch. Yeah, that's definitely burning the front part of the shoulders. We're going to go on to the next exercise now. We'll see you on the other side. We're talking all things rear delts, Trev. Yeah, back for the 3rd exercise. Again, using a resistance band, going to hit some rear delts, doing some prone flies. Okay, guys, just peep the setup here. The knees are slightly bent, back is straight. And look at the angles we're at here. Almost at 90 there. Once again, the rear part of the shoulder, aka the posterior delt, that is what's being activated. Yeah, you can really feel that. Okay, so guys, I'm going to dive into some pendlay rows here. So shuffle back a bit, Del. Give me that. Yeah. Okay. Look at the setup, guys. We always know that the core is engaged. Driving that bar up towards the top part of the chest. We're getting some back here, but we're also hitting the rear delts. So we're targeting these areas here at the top of the back. Nice and controlled throughout. Smooth moves here, guys. I was going to say, if you have an Olympic bar or the ends of the weights are bigger, the plates are on there, then you can do a full reset on the floor, realign yourself and come back into the row. Another brilliant exercise. Yeah. And that there, guys, is a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're getting some value from these videos. If you are, then please do hit the subscription button. That means a lot to us, guys, as we're heading towards 1,000 subs. Anything you want to add, Del? Yeah, comments below if you're finding this material helpful, beneficial. If you've done any of the tutorials that we've put together on YouTube, let us know how you got on. Forward the videos, get them spread around on social media platforms, let people know about the Thomas Twins, what we're doing in health and fitness. Yeah. And if you want more direct help with your health and fitness journey, then obviously we're offering a personal training service in the Natural Progression Studio. But another idea that us guys have got is if you can't make it to the studio, we're thinking of launching our own Thomas Twins personal training fitness app.
Yep.
So if you think that's a good idea, leave some comments below and let us know what you would like to see inside that app, and we'll come straight back to you.
Yeah.
Other than that, we're signing out over here. Hope you all have a good evening, and check out the video tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you soon. You're watching Thomas Twins. That's one for the bloopers, guys. Or unless that's one for the bloopers.